Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create HubSpot account. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any preferred browser. Next, search for HubSpot and open the official website. Once there, click on the Get Started button and you will be asked to sign into your account. I will sign in using my email address, but you can also use the platforms mentioned at the top. Then you may also be asked to verify your email address and create a new password. After signing in, you will be asked a bunch of questions. Simply answer them carefully, one by one. Then, you will need to enter your website name. Type it in carefully. After that, enter the website URL and select the host region of your business. At the end, click on the Create Account button and you'll be halfway there. Now, you will be prompted to either create a template or enter your details manually. Choose whichever one you prefer and then skip the contact steps. In the next step, you will be asked to invite team members. I will skip it for now and that's it. You will then be redirected to the homepage. So that's basically how you can create HubSpot account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.